What is LinkedIn and how does it works? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the LinkedIn, the social network for job seekers and professionals. So the internet has brought a whole revolution for job searching, making it easier than ever to connect with employers. And if you're looking to re-enter the workforce or explore new opportunities, LinkedIn is a great platform to consider. So, LinkedIn is a professional social networks designed for job seekers, businesses, and industry professionals. It allows individuals to create profiles, connect with contacts, and showcase their skills, while companies can post jobs opening and recruit the talent. And talking about how does LinkedIn work, LinkedIn offers 7 key features that make job searching and professional networking easier. So number 1 is to create a professional profile. Your LinkedIn profile serves as an online resume where you can list your work experience, education and skills. This helps employers to find you and increase your chance of getting hired. Now number 2 is company profiles. So here businesses can create LinkedIn profiles to showcase their brands. They can connect with potential partners and even hire new employees. Now with this moving forward, and number 3 is to build and expand your professional network. So you can connect with colleagues, classmates and industry professionals to grow your network. This connection may lead to job referrals or career opportunities. And now, number 4, that is endorsement and skill validation. Your LinkedIn connection can endorse your listed skills, which helps to validate your expertise. You can also return the favor by endorsing their skills. And with this, let's move forward. Now, number 5 is job listing and applications. So, companies frequently post job openings on LinkedIn and you can apply directly through the platform. So if you are an employer, you can post job opportunities to attract the potential candidates. Now, number 6, that is join industry groups and get career advice. So LinkedIn allows you to join groups related to your industry or skills where you can discuss job trends and seek career advice and network with experts. And at last, number 7, that is to stay updated with the business news. So you can follow companies, industry leaders, and business news sources to stay informed about the latest trends in your field. And that's all there is to it about the LinkedIn. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.